If you want to add your dual clock widget to your home screen on your Samsung Galaxy A56, it's quite easy to do. So first of all, let's locate any blank space on our home screen. Hold your finger here and press widgets. Now choose your clock and scroll down to your dual clock. There it is. So choose any of them. Press add. You can resize it immediately, make it smaller or make it bigger. I prefer bigger clocks, why not? Now, let's tap on it and press settings. So you can set up your first city and second city. I want the first city to be Prague, and the second city is gonna be, let it be Lisbon. So press change. Now you can choose whether you want to have your background or not. Day and night colors, or you can set up light or dark theme or match font settings. Also, you can set up your transparency. Press save when you are satisfied, and that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.